waste ink pad of Epson printers. This is how it gets choked. I have already flushed it quite a lot, but yeah, it requires more cleaning. This is how it will look once the ink has gone from this pad. It was flushed, it was basically filled with ink. It's quite easy to remove it. You just need to open the side door by unscrewing one screw, and then there is one screw at the bottom of this, and you just need to pull this out. So I didn't know how to remove it, but I saw one video on YouTube. So yeah, this is how I'm cleaning it. That video didn't talk about how to clean it. Yeah, this is how I flush ink from ink pads. So this is a periodic maintenance. You have to have one resetter tool to reset the cleaning cartridge or cleaning pad or replacing pad counter after you have cleaned this. You have to clean this first because obviously it was filled with ink and it is still going on. I have flushed this with at least probably 1 bucket of water, but the ink is still coming out. It's not coming out so thick and heavy. I'm seeing some clean water as well, but yeah, I still need to keep cleaning it. If you like, you can just pull out these pads as well to better clean it, because it's taking too long for me to clean it. So this is how I'm removing them. So you can remove the pads, probably one at a time. See how filthy they are, and of course that explains how much they actually absorb the ink. So now it will be better. I'll be better equipped to clean it. So I'm cleaning the pan. Pads, we need running water. It looks like all black ink, but it's diluted with water, so it's not really dirty in my hand. So now this is how I have cleaned it. I have squeezed it to remove excess water. Now there is no ink left except for some stains which are not going. So this is how it has become clean from extremely dirty. This tank has also got clean. Now I need to do the blowing of the ink pad to remove the water from it. So normal blower is not helping me remove the water from these pads because they are too thick, so air is not flowing through. So I'm using this compressor to use compressed air to remove the water from these pads.
And this is how I am trying these pads. I think it will take more than 24 hours for them to dry. So I'm patiently waiting for them to dry and put it back inside the tank. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And share your thoughts whether we should clean these pads or should simply replace them. I'm still trying to find a virus-free software to reset the counter for these ink pad replacements. So let me know if you find any source to do so. I would prefer an official source from Epson. Unfortunately, I'm not finding a download option from Epson. So let me know if you find any. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.